Let's take a look at what's happened so far today over the country, and we see that the thick cloud cover that was present early in the day over the far eastern parts has continued to thin out as it moves away from the country. The clearer skies have allowed for warming, and that's also brought a few thunder showers to parts of the Free State, into KwaZulu-Natal and the escarpment areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. We'll see further development as we head into this evening. It was a partly cloudy and dry afternoon for much of the coastline, except along the east coast where cloud cover is currently thickening. We are likely to see some light rain out of that later tonight. For this evening, thunder showers still possible over the eastern parts under partly cloudy conditions. A bit of coastal rain for KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, as well as over the adjacent interior of those provinces. Mainly clear conditions over the western parts with some high cloud moving overhead. Taking a look at Wednesday, and the rain will be clearing early in the day from the east coast of the country. It'll be partly cloudy once again on the Highveld, where those thunder showers are likely to redevelop in the afternoon. It's going to be warmer for the Cape provinces and just a bit of high cloud still moving over parts of the Western Cape. Rainfall probabilities for tonight indicating a likelihood for rain along the eastern coastline as well as the adjacent interior. There we see it pushing quite far inland over parts of the Eastern Cape. Isolated thunder showers on the other hand onto the Highveld, including the northern Free State, perhaps around Velkom and Bethlehem as well. Up the eastern escarpments, Gauteng, you're also in with a chance for a few storms tonight. Moving ahead to the wind stream animation, and we have northwesterly flow passing over the peninsula over the next 24-hour period. It's not going to bring any rainfall, but we could still see a bit of low cloud moving into the area. And the southwesterly winds that have affected the east coast today are going to be replaced by northeasterly winds as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Cape Town tonight will be partly cloudy and dry. An overnight low of 12 degrees has been forecast, and not too much changing for tomorrow, except it's going to be a little bit warmer with a maximum temperature of 22 degrees. Minimum temperatures for the rest of the country, and it's going to be a cool night over the high-lying areas, some places dropping into the single digits, but much warmer over the low veld and along the east coast once again, temperatures in the mid to upper teens for those areas. Things are warming up for many parts of South Africa on Wednesday afternoon, in particular over the Northern Cape, where Uppington gets to 34 degrees. 32 is a high for Kimberley as well as Pretoria, and a warm to hot day over KwaZulu-Natal, and temperatures rising quite nicely in the Eastern Cape too. Moving ahead to Thursday, and it's going to be a mostly dry day for South Africa. A possibility for a few thunder showers over Limpopo and Mpumalanga. And on Friday, temperatures are going to be rising quite a lot for most of South Africa into the 30s across the northern parts as well as in KZN, and it's going to be much milder for Cape Town with a high of 20 and a possibility of evening drizzle.